Here you see our Logpoint analytics platform, and what you can see here is what we call a so-called search template, where on the right-hand side you have several fields for filtering the read access log for certain aspects. And what is shown here is the screens in SAP that have been accessed. For example, here on a certain SAP system ID, on a certain database tenant or client, certain users have accessed several employee records, and the screens or the type of data they were looking at was HR master data, or the basic pay information, which is the salary information, bank details, or addresses of these employees. But it's not, of course, only about filtering and searching for certain data. It is in particular about the detection of unauthorized access to personal data in an SAP system. And here we have filtered our search template, or we have used a certain username, which is a firefighter account or a maintenance user account. And we have filtered for the annual salary. And here we have a technical field name as a filter option to then filter all kinds of data. And you see the firefighter account was using PA20 transaction to access several employee records to access the annual salary of these employees. And then the next topic, or the next important step, is of course the automation of the detection. And the query beneath this widget that browses the data can of course be scheduled and can be implemented as an alert rule that is continuously analyzing incoming events to our analytics platform, incoming read access log information, and filtered data for certain access to personal information. And now let's look into the incident and browse a couple of incidents here. And here you can see it. It's coming up here. It is the access to salary records outside HR. And this, of course, this alert rule focuses on the access by users by high privileged access, like firefighter accounts, maintenance users, and of course, accounts that are not working in the HR department that access personal information in the SAP system. And again, here, the incident data can be viewed. It is the system APA, client 800, firefighter account that accessed this personal information. And you can, of course, drill down to the data by looking at the alert information. And here it's also a condensed view, an aggregated view, but you can even from there navigate into the raw logs of the SAP system, the raw read access log that are stored in our analytics platform for further investigation.